JC here for another Vagabond vacations. This time we're in Tenerife, the Canary Islands, and as a first location today, Badlands near Las Americas, like it's in the south of Tenerife. So Badlands, it's kind of in the name, it's a rough area, kind of where the volcanic, stones ended up and kind of tore the landscape into a horribly difficult one to build on, and so they usually just abandon it and leave it as some kind of like nature reserve. For the first shot with the girls, I'm gonna have them go into like blue bikinis. I think it's gonna be nice, all these black rocks, then we get the blue ocean, the blue bikinis. I think it's gonna be a nice color palette. So let's join the group. It's good. So this is really cool. Something like transparent, a transparent pants on top. And you got some like nice light blue. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys get ready. So this attracted us. We're gonna shoot here. The girls are ready. Their outfits are ready. Beautiful. A little bit fashion. I like it. And Sonny,
what's up?
You're gonna start this shot.
Yeah? Okay.
Sonny is back.
Dankjewel, dankjewel.
For the next location, I bought a prop and I underestimated it a little bit. So this is a pretty darn big camel. And I didn't buy a pump. But if you have a friend, as with any threesome, you have to coordinate the whole thing. Try to enjoy it and sometimes try to forget the other guy is there, and that's always helpful. We did it. For our first location, and the girls are changing into leopard outfits. Obviously, because they're hunting camels. We are now in this kind of what I call the desert-ish vibe. There's a lot of like sand-colored, dried landscape. Our friend Clyde right there. And I would have the girls, mount the camel and then take a photo, wide photo, showing this whole landscape. I think it will look pretty funny, especially with their like leopard outfits, kind of a little bit out of place to hunting leopards, hunting a camel in the desert. Alright, that composition worked out really well with the two lionesses hunting the camel and then afterwards kind of like resting after having fed. So really funny. We also made some funny reels and stuff like that. Really good stuff. So excited that this worked out as I had expected and hoped. Oh, Scoot! We got Josh joining the party. And today's location starts with a very vagabond-ish entrance, which says that it's probably not really allowed because we're going to an urbex location. It's an abandoned city, abandoned church, and so they kind of want to discourage people to come here for obvious reasons that maybe there could be some falling rocks or stuff like that. That does not scare us away. So let's go check out what it's all about.
Times are getting crazy, and everything seems hazy.
So we have arrived at the end destination, which is a abandoned church. Pretty unique location. Let's see how creative we can get with it. Because of this kind of urbex vibe, I asked the girls to bring like colorful outfits because I think it's kind of nicer to go into that direction. More like a rave party, I guess. I would call it that. And I also brought bubble wand to make it a little bit more playful.
I did it again. Who told you that I was finished? Fresh off the plane with a new mani-pedi. My hair stay laid and you know I get paid. $100 bills, I got racks on the way. I'm making them big moves, I won't stay quiet. 5'6", but
drop your right arm, like just hang it, and just look over your right shoulder. Exactly.
I'm a hot girl, I'm a hot girl. I get anything I want, this is my world. I make big moves in my big heels. Since the day that I was born, I've been a big deal. I'm a hot girl.
The shot I had in mind was to do something here on this hill, looking over this kind of perfect scenery. It really reminds me of like these commercials in the 30s and 40s in the US about this perfect urban living areas. You know what I mean, Josh?
Yeah.
It's kind of like with the stay-at-home mom pushing the trolley
It's like
in
a
the
Truman
street.
Show type of thing.
Yeah, exactly. And somebody's cutting the grass, you know, and everybody's like friendly. And
Hey, how
for
you
me,
doing,
that's
neighbor?
like that perfect city, but it's kind of surrounded by wasteland, so it has that kind of contrast of that fakeness of
Pristine,
that perfect city.
the oasis.
Yeah. Especially with all the windmills in the background, it's almost like a modern version where it's also generating its own power. And so I like the contrast of having that in the background and then the girls in there kind of like more like Mad Max techno or something, let's call it that, being here. Seems like a funny contrast. Okay, that's better. So yeah, we'll redo this shot with the two girls, and I will also do it a bit later. I think if we have a bit more sunset vibe, it's gonna even enhance that perfect city vibe, warm. Can you bend over a little bit more when you blow them? Yes. You know what? It can be fake. I will add bubbles in Photoshop. Maybe we show the cute side, like the unicorn. You don't have to do anything. I would like to have the church completely in the background, like the full church, front of the church, and the two girls here. I almost have like leading lines from the one girl to the other to the church. Wait, I don't see the choker very much because of the direction. Maybe it needs to be more. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this is kind of a cool after party. JC here. So I just had my cool shot in front of the church. It worked out really well. The girls were in this kind of pose for the second one. And we also made some cool reels, obviously, from this cool shot. And then we're gonna move to the next spot, which is right there, for that one that I was trying with Marie earlier. Now with the two girls, sun is a little bit lower. Let's get it. Skirt. All right, so on the count of 3, the girls are gonna rave dance. And I put it on a fast shutter. Try to capture like a real like rave moment to contrast this pristine city down below. You feel it? You feel it coming? Oh yeah, you know what? Marie was the squatting down. You bite her, you put the red thing of her bikini bottom, you bite it. Like you're pulling it with your, you understand?
Okay, yeah.
That
Yeah,
will be a
gotcha.
cool interaction. And in the meantime, sure, you blow the bubbles up. John has an idea of a drone shot here. Nice reveal of this kind of drug lord-ish vibe mansion. So the girl sitting on the stairs, nice reveal. Show you how that looks right now. The sun is setting. We had a nice shooting here at the abandoned city of Abades. And I think we're gonna wrap it up now. Everybody's content. We shot a lot of creative ideas. Good stuff. See you guys tomorrow. JC out. Skirt.
Picking up that light. Great. Goodbye, Sarah. We'll see you in another lifetime.